it's your girl TNT, and I'm here with a really exciting video and some exciting news. So if you watch my vlogs, you know already, no surprise. But if you don't, I'm getting ready to move to Paris for the rest of the year. So I'm gonna be there until 2020. I'm gonna come back to LA in like January. But anyways, the reason you're here is because this video is about clothes, and y'all are interested to see what I have in my closet. So yes, I'm getting ready to move, so that means I need to pack up my whole apartment. So if you want to, you think my apartment's cute, check out my apartment tour. I need to figure out what I'm going to be packing to bring to Paris and what I'm going to be giving away and putting in storage. And so I just want y'all to know that I have so many clothes. Like y'all, I have 2 closets and a whole dresser full of clothes. And I guess you can kind of say like I hoard clothes. I do. I'll admit to it, because 25% of my clothes I haven't even tried on or wore. Like, they still have tags on it. And this is my friend, Sasha. Hi. AKA Queen Cammy, AKA Cammy Duel, AKA Jolie. Sasha is a witness to how many clothes I have. So when I moved in with you last summer, what did I bring?
This girl brought 8 suitcases of only clothes. Not even like her stuff, just clothes, 8 suitcases. And I was like, girl, where'd you even get these suitcases?
So right now I have like 2 closets, a dresser, and a couple of bins and stuff with clothes in it. So like I said, the whole point of me trying on almost everything I own is really to help me be able to get rid of some of the stuff that I have that I really don't need. Like, once you try something on and you see that you can't really fit it anymore, or you don't really like it, you're more likely to give it away. But let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So y'all, oops. This is closet number 1. I color coordinate my clothes, or at least I try. We got black to like tan to yellow to like orange, red, pink, gray, white, and then green and blue. And I have like hella pants. Like I had to get these hangers. These are actually really cool. But I had to get these hangers. And then up here, I have clothes too. I have all this. There's like hats and stuff in those bins. But these are more like my going out, like club type clothes. I have mostly coats and like jackets and sweaters and stuff. And this is color coordinated as well. And then I also have clothes in this little white thing over here, but I'm not even gonna open it up because I haven't even worn anything in there in like a year. And then I have clothes in literally all of these dressers. Sorry. They used to be folded, I promise. But once again, these are color coordinated too. See, stuff falls out every time I open this. I'm over here like, let's get started. But I honestly don't even know where. Like, I really don't even know where to begin. So I think I'm gonna just start off with this top dresser and just try on. I believe it's like mostly just crop tops and t-shirts in there. So let's do that. This stuff is color coordinated, so I'm gonna kind of try to keep this video color coordinated if I can. Alright y'all, so I do want to tell you a little bit about myself and my style. So to let y'all know, I am 21. I'll be turning 22 soon. So I'm grown. I'm not no little girl, so don't come in the comments trying to talk about what I choose to wear. So if I could describe my style in 3 words, it would be cool, comfy, and sexy. So you are going to be seeing a whole lot of crop tops, a whole lot of skin. Don't get offended, don't hate, just know that's who I am and that's the way I dress. And yeah, I think it's cute. And to be honest, where I feel like my style was mostly influenced by is Bratz dolls. Like growing up, Bratz dolls used to have the flyest fit. Like, don't come for me because y'all know Bratz dolls was over here dressing like some thoughts. So I was extremely and highly influenced by it, and I like to think of myself as a real life Bratz doll because I just love clothes, especially crop tops, mini skirts, shorts, all that good stuff. But right now, all of this is gonna be crop tops and little bralettes and so on. So just enjoy. So I try to keep this video color coordinated for y'all as best as I can, but now I'm getting ready to go in the final drawer of my dresser, which is honestly like a whole bunch of random clothes, random t-shirts, random stuff. So get ready just to see some random stuff. But yes, and I also numbered this video purposely, so if y'all want to ask me where I got anything from in the comments, just let me know what number and I'll let you know, because I usually remember where I buy most of my stuff. So keep watching. So like I said earlier, I am trying on everything that I own. So yes, I just went ahead and threw all my bikinis in here as well. And if y'all are curious, this video did take forever to film. Like, this video took 3 days and my body was literally sore from taking all my clothes on and off for 3 days consistently. So just in case y'all were curious how long it took, and it took forever to edit. So I really hope y'all appreciate this. So we are finally moving on from the dresser, all finished with the dresser. So these are all the clothes in my closet. So once again, I'm gonna have it color coordinated for y'all. So I'm gonna start off with tops, and then you'll see me try on some bottoms, excuse me. You'll see me try on some bottoms and then dresses and all that as well. In some of these clips, you can tell that I have a mask on. So I'm big allergic to dust. Like, if I get any type of dust in my system, I'm sick for a week. And like I said, I haven't touched some of these clothes since I moved in. And so it was clearly dusty. So I just went ahead and threw on a little mask to protect myself, just in case y'all were curious what that was. All right, so now we're moving on to dresses, rompers, and one pieces. So I hope y'all enjoy. Keep watching. So here the clothes are going to start to get very random, like really random, because I just did laundry. So all of these are, a lot of these are clothes that I just washed. It was like 2 loads of laundry. And yes, I am sitting down because like I said, I was filming this for 3 days straight and I was so tired. My feet was hurting, my body was sore. So yes. Alright y'all, so I finally finished my first closet and I'm moving on to my second closet. I do not have as much stuff as I had in my first closet. This closet is literally only jackets, sweaters, hoodies, and blazers. So the video is almost over. Hang through the rest. Alright y'all, so that's it. The video is coming to a close. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched the whole thing, big shout out to you because I have so many clothes. Like, filming this video made me realize that I had so many clothes. And after this video, I definitely gave away like 3 big bags of clothes, and I figured out a couple of things I wanted to sell as well. But once again, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your girl TNT. I had so much fun filming and editing this. It was a lot of work. Let me know what y'all want to see from me. And peace. Love y'all.